Icons8 for design teams, a technical deep dive into performance, consistency, and workflow integration. Icons8 provides a scalable solution for design professionals needing consistent, high-quality iconography across platforms. With over 1.4 million assets, including icons, illustrations, and UI elements, Icons8 distinguishes itself through in-house style control, multi-platform support, and seamless plugin integrations for Figma, Sketch, and Adobe Creative Suite. The platform's cloud-based architecture ensures efficient asset delivery in clean, scalable formats like SVG and MP4, optimized for both developers and designers. Key strengths include batch downloads, API access, multiple state icons, and specialized industry collections that support nuanced design needs in healthcare, finance, education, and more. From a technical standpoint, Icons8 balances creative flexibility with operational reliability. While some styles vary in polish and the AI-powered search yields inconsistent results, the platform's structured design language and metadata-driven asset management make it an effective long-term tool for design systems. Offline desktop access, CDN-backed delivery, and enterprise options with custom development round out a robust feature set. For most design teams, especially those managing multiple projects or working within UI/UX frameworks, Icons8 offers a solid return on investment, provided teams establish clear internal usage guidelines and monitor updates proactively.